Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What are we working on today? 79 911SC that finally we got all of our CIS parts back and installed. So what we are going to do now is right along here with y'all. We're going to fire this thing off. Remember, this had a no start condition, and we determined that the fuel distributor was bypassing in a very, very big way. So we haven't adjusted the CIS, we haven't adjusted the timing, but we think we solved a big problem. So hop in here with me, and it's probably gonna take a second to prime the system. Hang on, we got a faster way of priming the system. Watch this. There we go. Hear them? Squeak, 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 squeak. Like little freaking mice. Oh, look at that. All right, well, hey, that's a lot further than we got in the past. So we are going to, well, let's try one more time. I don't want you guys to think that this shit's easy. Oops. Ooh, new deck lid struts. Should have put those in while I had the engine lowered. Yeah, I had... Oh, I know what it is, guys. I pumped all of the gas out of the car. So, look at my fuel gauge. I gotta go put some gas in it. All right, I'll come back when we put some gas in it. Ain't that a bitch? All right, here we go again. So we put fresh non-ethanol. I think they only had 90. They were out of 93. We got a little gas in the fuel tank now. So, boy, that was probably making it tough for that pump to work. Oh, she's still thinking about it. Oops. She's trying. Oh, she wants to play. Let's see. What if we do the old throttle trick? I hate that. Good thing we got a pump-off valve. We just got to go adjust the distributor, adjust the CO levels, and probably reset the idle since we've resealed everything. But that was awesome. Let's see if she'll do it again. Keep the revs up a little bit because I'm trying to clean off the spark plugs too. We're gonna call that good. So she needed almost a full turn on the mixture screw. And you can still hear she probably needs about another 1/8.